do 4 things. I
Oh,
want to sing, I want to follow your hands, I want to know what my part in the song is, and I don't want to lift my feet.
very well. 4 times what is 4?
10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, there was somebody killed 'neath the town hall light. There were few at the scene, but they all agreed the slayer who ran looked a lot like me. The judge said, "Son, what is your alibi? If you were somewhere else, then you won't have to die."
Now, why don't you follow my hands a little as you
I
sing?
think I was doing 3 of the 4 things.
All right. Are you going to sing a bit more?
Yes,
All right. What are my hands doing?
they're suggesting I move up all through here.
All right. Now, I'll start you here. Then I'm going to do a little something right through here, so that is beginning to give you a little sense of this and that spreading out.
The judge said...
Wait a minute. I didn't sense your body beginning to move as that first sound came out.
The judge
There you
said, "Son, what is your alibi? If you were somewhere else, then you won't have to die."
Now come on with this.
I spoke not a word, although it meant my life, for I had been in the arms of my best friend's wife.
Aren't those easier
A lot easier.
now? What did you do?
What did I do? The scaffold.
Wait a minute. Let's have a little up on that.
Okay. This one you really want up on. I have to get back into part now. The scaffold was high and eternity near. She stood in the crowd and she shed not a tear.
Oh, up you go.
But sometimes at night, when the cold winds blow, she visits my grave and cries o'er my bones. I think we could probably end it there. That was...
You could have followed me just a tiny bit better.
I did 3.5 things.
Yes. Now follow me when I do. Now sing.
She walks these hills in a long black veil.
Now
She
walk.
visits my grave when the night winds wail.
How's that?
Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me.
All right.
It's pretty good.
That's a lot better.